Good morning, my beautiful friends, and how are you doing today? Over the weekend, my husband mentioned to me that we were running low on laundry detergent. So I wanted to show you the quick, easy recipe that I do to make laundry detergent. What you'll need is some Castile soap, scented or unscented. I do have the peppermint. Distilled white vinegar, washing soda, a measuring device, a bowl to mix it all up in, your doTERRA essential oil, and I use a silicone mold. I have found that this works the best for me, but you can use like an ice tray. So what you'll need is let me see this again. I have printed out my recipe. I have tried many different recipes, and this is a combination of different recipes that I've tried and liked. A lot of the recipes did call for Castile soap, like the bar. I did the liquid Castile soap. So when I was trying to figure out the conversion, I Googled it, and it said 2/3 a bar of Castile soap equals 1 cup of liquid Castile soap. So we're going to use 1.5 cups of the liquid Castile soap. So let's pour this in here. May take a little bit. Sorry about that. I should have pre-measured everything. But it does work really well. It gets my clothes very, very clean, and it lasts a really long time. Okay, so I'm out of Castile soap, but that's about 1.5 cups. Okay. Just gonna get all my liquid ingredients in here first. Okay, and then you need 1 cup distilled white vinegar, and I'm out of distilled white vinegar now. So we're just shy of a cup, but that'll be fine. Okay, then you need 2.5 cups of the washing soda. I just bought washing soda, so I know I won't run out of this. See, you do these projects and you forget, what do I need to buy more of? But it lasts a long time, and it's a lot cheaper to make your own. It may not seem like it at first because you're spending so much money on getting all the stuff, but literally, like this Castile soap and all of this has lasted me such a long time. We're going to start with just about 2 cups. And if we need to add more, we'll do it. But that's what I found that has worked the best for me in the past. And it will take 24 hours to set. So I'll come back tomorrow and show you taking it out of the mold and putting it in like this cute little, well, it's not really cute, it's just a mason jar, which I do think mason jars are cute. It's not really anything different. And then we're gonna add in 15 drops of doTERRA peppermint. I really like having an uplifting smell to my clothing. 15. Okay. I really enjoy having just that pepperminty smell. If you have unscented Castile soap, which I unfortunately did not get this time around, you can use any essential oil you want to flavor your laundry detergent. But I had peppermint Castile soap, so I just added some more peppermint. Peppermint is a very uplifting aroma. It can also be cooling when it's applied to your skin. It's also, really good if you're congested. It's a good one to have around. Peppermint I just think is one of the most amazing essential oils. I love the smell of peppermint. Do be cautious using peppermint though. If you are a nursing mama, it can dry you up. Don't want to have any of that happen to any of y'all out there. But there are great resources if you feel like you need help with your supply and stuff like that as well. So you're gonna mix it all up. It does, to me, it feels kind of warm when I'm mixing all of these ingredients together. But it gets my clothes so clean and they smell so fresh, and it's so nice to have, to know what's going into cleaning my kids' clothes and cleaning my clothes instead of some chemically thing. And I do have vision issues. It is hard for me to see sometimes. Well, all the time it's hard for me to see. So it's easier for me to have tab detergents. So I know exactly how much to put in, like 1 tab, versus the liquid detergent. It's always hard for me to measure out the liquid detergents. So I really do prefer this. And I really loving these silicone molds. I found this on Amazon. Actually, my husband found this one for me on Amazon. I was telling him what I needed, and he's like, oh, I found this. And he found me a ton of really cool silicone molds that we can use in other projects. I was thinking of making like a shower steamers or a bath bomb. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next from me. But I love doing little DIY projects to really just help my home be less toxic and cleaner, and just a healthier environment for me and the kiddos and my husband. It's always nice when you can be less toxic. So this will have to sit, like I said, overnight. I am doing this in the morning, so it will sit all day while I'm at work, and then I'll have it sit overnight and do another video for you once I'm taking it out. Sorry that I'm just kind of talking a little bit, but how is everyone's days going? Anything exciting happening this weekend? I do have my next class at Tea Espressa this coming Saturday, the 27th at 3 p.m. So if you haven't gotten your tickets yet, please go down and get them. I would love to see you, to help you learn more about essential oils. It depends on who's all going to be there, what we focus on. I generally try to do a basics class of 101 and then do like a little emphasis on something. But we can always talk about that once we're there, see who the students are, change things up, and dive into a more in-depth class on a specific topic. If people are interested in that, please reach out to me and let me know. I really want to help everyone the best I can with essential oils and making their lives less toxic and just a happier place. I feel so much joy right now putting these tabs in here. So just show you what I'm doing and putting them right in there, packing them in there. I may have made too much for this one mold, but it's okay. It happens. Get that nice, good laundry detergent. And it lasts so long. I've even made toilet bowl balms, and they last so long, and they just keep everything so much cleaner in between deep cleans, which is really nice. I really do prefer like maintenance instead of always deep cleaning, which I know you need a deep clean too, but I like just being able to throw a toilet bomb in there and not think about it. So if you want to see that, leave a comment below. All right, so I think I'm going to stop it right here for right now. And I'll be back later and I'll show you the taking out process and putting them into my mason jar. And honestly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there are 40 spots in here, so that's 40 loads of laundry. If I had more of these, I would just make more of it at a time. I've heard some people make like a whole year's worth at once, which is kind of cool. I don't know if I have the patience for that, but this will last me, 40 loads of laundry, so however long that is. But it's not hard to make. I prefer making it over anything else, and it's really nice to have that nice, clean, beautiful, I love the peppermint smell. Honestly, it might be overwhelming to some people, but I love peppermint. But some other good oils that would be good in here would be like a lemon would be good because that's cleansing. The On Guard blend would be really good in this. If you had unscented Castile soap, which I know they make. Let's see what else would be good in here. What flavors what smells would you guys like in your laundry room? Leave that comment below. What smells would you guys like below? I would love to hear some other suggestions for what I could do for smells with the unscented Castile soap to really freshen it up. I love these DIYs. If there's another one you guys want to see, please let me know that as well in the comments below. I think I said that already. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll be back when these have dried. Have a great one. Good morning, everyone. I told you I'd be back. So I have my mason jar, and I have my 40, it's not very good way to show it to you, tabs, laundry detergent tabs. So when you pop it out, this is what it'll look like. They're nice and hard, and then I just put them right in my mason jar, and they're really easy to pop out of the silicone molds. And they smell amazing. I put them in my bathtub last night to harden, and my whole bathroom smells of peppermint now. It smells fantastic. And like I said, when I was making these, if you have unscented Castile soap, you can use whatever scent appeals to you for your laundry. I just happen to have peppermint Castile soap, so I used peppermint essential oil. And I'm just really thrilled by this, to have my laundry detergent all just set up. Look at how nice this is. Nice little cube. You just throw that right in your washer. It's coming out of these really easy. You just pop it right out. Like I said, I used to use ice cube trays, and I had a lot of breakage with the ice cube trays, and I don't have as much breakage with these silicone molds. They come out really nice squares. They come out really nice. I'm very, very happy with them. So there is still, some parts don't stick as well as others, so you do sometimes get a little bit of a mess, but it's not breaking apart or crumbling. And again, I have 40 spots on this silicone mold, so that's 40 loads of laundry. And yes, you may be spending as much as buying the laundry up front, but you'll get a lot more out of it when you make over and over and over again. And it lasts so long, and it's just a great way to save a little bit of money. Your clothes still end up just as clean. They smell great. I personally love the peppermint, but if that's not your thing, just do the unscented Castile soap and pick out what's good for you. So I am going to need a second mason jar, it looks like, for this. Because I used to do it with ice cube trays, and there was less. And then now I have this silicone mold, and it's 40 of them. So I used to have to make this a lot more often because I didn't have this silicone mold. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 14 left in there that won't fit in here, so I'll just have to grab another mason jar. So this is what it looks like. Pretty excited about it. So And I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you stayed, I know it's a long video, so if you stayed throughout the whole entire thing, please give this video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And again, leave a comment below with what videos you'd like to see me do in the future. Have a great day.